In Windows 11, uninstalling a program often looks finished. You click uninstall, it disappears from the list, and you assume it's gone. In reality, many apps leave behind folders and cache files your system is still carrying around. Today, we'll walk through how to remove software properly and clean up the most common leftovers without going overboard. There are 4 ways to uninstall software in Windows 11, depending on what type of app you're dealing with. We'll cover all of them. Then we go through a manual cleanup to deal with leftover data in your user folders. We'll focus only on steps that are safe for your system. Start with the standard uninstall. Open Settings. Select Apps in the sidebar. Then Installed Apps. Find the program you want to remove. Click the 3 dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts from the program's own uninstaller until it's done. If you're dealing with older desktop software, the classic control panel is still a reliable fallback. Search for the control panel in the Start menu, open it, then go to Programs and Features. You can also get there faster by pressing Windows plus R, typing Control, and pressing Enter. Then go to Programs and Features. Older apps that don't appear in the Modern Settings list will almost certainly be here. Right-click the program you want to uninstall, then select Uninstall. Follow the prompts from the program's own uninstaller until it's done. Microsoft Store apps, including pre-installed apps and games, can be removed in 3 different places. The quickest is directly from the Start menu, search for the app, right-click the app and choose Uninstall. For most store apps, that's all it takes. You can also manage store apps in Settings. Under Installed Apps, find the app, click the 3 dots and select Uninstall. The third place to remove store apps is inside the Microsoft Store itself, and it's useful for pre-installed included with device apps that are harder to find in Settings. Open the Microsoft Store and click the library icon in the bottom left sidebar. You will see a list of apps. Click the 3 dots next to any app you want to remove and select Uninstall. This view often surfaces apps that don't show up easily elsewhere, making it a useful place to check. For example, when you want to delete games or what came pre-installed. Once the program is gone, you can optionally clean up leftover data. Many apps store settings in a hidden folder called AppData. Press Windows plus R, type %, AppData %, and press Enter to open the roaming folder. Look for a folder named after the program you just uninstalled. If you find one, it is generally safe to delete. Repeat this for the local side of AppData. Press Windows plus R again, type %, local AppData %, and press Enter. This is where apps keep temporary caches. Deleting folders for software you've already removed can free up some space and prevent old settings from causing problems if you reinstall the same program later. A clear rule before you delete anything: only remove folders that explicitly match the name of the app you just uninstalled. Something like Spotify or Zoom. If a folder name is unfamiliar or looks like it could belong to Windows, your hardware, or your GPU drivers, leave it alone. A few megabytes of leftover text files will not slow down a modern PC. Deleting the wrong system folder will cause real problems. One more thing worth addressing: registry cleaners. You generally don't need them, and the honest reason is this: modern Windows actively manages the registry itself, and the entries that get left behind after an uninstall are typically small, harmless, and don't affect performance. Automated cleaners often flag entries they don't fully understand and remove things Windows still references. Manual file cleanup, which is what we've done today, is safer and more than sufficient for most users. If these steps didn't work the same way on your version of Windows, leave a comment below and I'll help you work through it. Uninstalling software properly is a small but important part of keeping your system clean. If this walkthrough helped you, please subscribe to Libertechia for more practical Windows 11 guides. Stay reachable and I will see you in the next one.